Good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. So I hope you've all had a great week. It's Saturday morning and I have come today to do my Think Pink. We'll get this right one day. My Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink Sewscription box unboxing. This arrived yesterday for me when I got home from work, which was amazing, and I have been itching to open it to show you all. So I'll do that in a second. First, I thought I would talk about my hair because you know how much I like talking about my hair. I've washed it this morning, as you can see, and it's drying quite nice into some sort of loose waves. You might notice the colours changed. I did dye it last weekend. I did it myself and I've done it a darker blonde, which I'm really happy with because it was about 5 different colours. So I'm going on holiday in 8 days and yeah, I needed it doing before I went away. So I'm really happy with it. I like this colour. I think it looks nice and natural, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So the curls are doing okay. I might have to just sort of scrunch it up a little bit, but yeah, they seem to be doing okay. So I am wearing my Lois dress today, which is a tessuti pattern. I made this 2 years ago actually, and I've just done that thing where you drag out all your summer clothes and put all your winter clothes away. And this was amongst them, and I thought, you know what, I've not worn it for ages. So it's in a blue linen that I can't remember where I got this from, but yeah, really like it. I'll put a picture of the pattern up here. It is quite low cut at the front, but you know, I can get away with it. It's fine. So anyway, let's get back to the unboxing. I know there's a couple of unboxings up already. I've seen Ruan's, as in I've seen her post it. I haven't watched it yet. And yeah, I'm itching to watch it. The thing that I'm really nervous about is I have seen lots of people that have posted that they've unboxed theirs and how amazing the fabric is this month and the box in itself. And I'm a little bit nervous and quite scared because I'm thinking, what if I don't like it and I'm going to go against the grain? So I'm a bit scared about that. But anyway, we'll get opening it and we'll see what's inside. Excuse the rustling. It always sounds awful, doesn't it, on camera? So here is box 16, the gorgeous Think Pink Sewscription box. And I've seen people post that she's got a new little sticker on. Look at that with a little pink door on. That's just amazing. Knock, knock, open me, it says. So let's dive in. And yeah, I have to say, I am really nervous. Really nervous. So inside, you've got the gorgeous contents wrapped in beautiful yellow tissue paper with a little QR code to scan, so you can watch a little video that Andrea puts together about her inspiration for this box, and usually some ideas about what you can make with the fabric. So let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, I do like it. I do like it. Yes, I do. Okay, so we've got the little card which says, when life gives you lemons, add salt and tequila. Oh, wow. Some little lemon and lime wax melts. Look at those. Gorgeous. Thread, Gutterman thread in white. Oh, we've also got a little pack of shirring elastic. So that's really handy because I made Mabel dress, didn't I? And used up most of my shirring elastic actually. So I've got some more, so that's fantastic. And then we've got a little gift in a lovely bag that says, squeeze the day. Squeeze the day. I think this is lemon themed, this box this month. Oh, wow. So we've got some little labels. Oh, they're amazing. So they say they're from the lemon patch. I'm going to have to open them because I can't quite read what the labels say. But they say you're the best on them. Look at those. How amazing. Oh, they're gorgeous. I love them. Oh, it's so exciting. I can't tell you how excited I was last night to open this, but I was so tired after work and I looked like I'd just done, I don't know, a 7-day shift, if I'm honest. So on the fabric is this. How amazing is this? I know this fabric. It is a Lady McElroy fabric and it's called Bright Side of Life. Those of you that have been following me for a while know I am a huge Lady McElroy fan, and I have this colourway I have this print in the black colourway already. I can actually see it up on my shelf somewhere. I think it is there. I don't know if you can see that. I might even be pointing at the wrong bit. It's there. And I haven't got it in this colourway, which is amazing. This is gorgeous. So on the little card, it actually, no, where are we? On the little leaflet that we get inside, it actually says this month's box contains 2 meters of Lady McElroy cotton lawn, the bright side of life. There are 2 colours available this month. Wish you fun unboxing. And then on the other side, we've got a recipe for easy lemon fudge. Wow. Might have to try that. It's got white chocolate chips in it. Nice. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. She just gets this so right every month, doesn't she? She really does. This is perfect for summer. I'm going to get this in my washing machine today and get this pre-washed because I think I need to make it up into something. And I'm just wondering actually, because I've just taken Piper for a walk. We've just got back, and while I was wearing this dress, I actually said to Martin, I need to make another one of these because I haven't actually made one since I made this one, and I really like it. And I'm wondering actually if I've got enough of this to make a lemon version. That would be cool, wouldn't it? I'm going to actually look. I'm going to drag the pattern out and I'm going to have a look. So yes, gorgeous, gorgeous box, Andrea. Thank you so much. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Love it. Absolutely love it. Right. Short but sweet from me today, and I'm going to get on with some more holiday sewing now. I'm doing really well. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 things made up so far from my holiday plans vlog that I put up last week, and I've got another 3 things cut out that I need to crack on with this weekend. So I am going to get on with that today. And whatever you're doing, I hope you get some sewing time this weekend and enjoy the sunshine if you are in the UK, because we've got some sun, which is nice. So I will be back with you really soon. Take care. Bye.